Welcome, today I've heard of me HONOR Magic4 Pro and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap to more connections. After that click on the NFC section, and to activate the NFC click only once on the switcher, and now you can use the NFC feature on your HONOR device. You can also switch your SIM card to Google Pay from in default apps here, and also you can change the settings to use always default app or just to prioritize currently running apps on your device. To turn off the NFC, click on the switcher once again, and also if you want to activate or turn off NFC by the second way, you can also open the notification panel, and somewhere here, in my case it's here, you can find the NFC icon. Just to activate NFC, click once on this icon. To turn it off, click on the icon once again, and if you want to launch NFC settings from here, just hold for a while this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.